Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn how to make controller and separate user controller, that's mean front-end controller or back-end controller. So let's start to make some controllers for back-end or front-end. So here is the controller name. First of all, I'm creating this command php artisan make controller. That's mean it's make a controller. That's base URL make backe and backend slash dashboard controller. I hope you understand what's the command here. Okay, that's mean backend folder name is a folder name and dashboard controller is controller name. So all is okay. Now we will make front-end controller. Okay, dashboard controller is okay, front-end controller, front-end slash front-end controller. Okay, here is the front-end controller. So separate controller, okay, it's done right now. Separate controller. Okay, so for backend controller means admin will all the controller here, admin controller here, or front end is user controller here. You front end means our front end part, front, and back end there is no access other user. That's the controller. Okay, so now we need some category. What is the name is category and post and tag. Okay, so let's start now. Make controller name is okay, backend controller, then backend after category controller. Okay, this will be resource controller. R means here is the controller name, and R means resource controller like index, create, edit, delete, update, store. Is resource controller is auto generate method. Okay, here is the controller name, that's a method. Index, create, store is auto generated by using R. Okay, so next category and next will be tag, right? So tag controller, okay, here is the tag controller. Then we need post category, subcategory. Okay, need subcategory, subcategory controller. That's mean also resource. Okay, so subcategory is also resource, and tag controller is already done using this one. Okay, tag is done, post is done. Okay, post controller. Right now we need some post controller. Post controller, that's one also will be resource. Okay, so already done. Here is a backend part. Category, post, subcategory is right now done. We'll make after if we need some categories. Okay, advertisement. Oh, okay, I need this one is the category. It's need this one, of course. It's need one. No need this one. Here is the, because we will make a code right here. Okay, so post is done, advertisement is done, newsletter is done. Newsletter also we need newsletter. So newsletter also done. Now we need contact, right? Contact also need. Contact also need here. Okay, contact also need here. Okay, done as done. Comment, comment node here. Newsletter is done. Post tag subcategory tag is also user is done. User is also done. Okay, so now we need to make front end part. Front end. Okay, so because we front end means here is the contact part, newsletter part. So user will submit a form here, and here is the part of this. Okay, so we need here so first we need create front end dashboard controller, need contact TS it contact controller, and we need next we need contact controller. Next we need a newsletter. Okay, newsletter controller, newsletter letter controller we need. Okay, then we need what we need, then we need a post controller. We need okay, comment is done, right? No, comment controller. I'm making the separate controller. All is a separate controller. Subscription controller, subscription, that's mean newsletter also is done. I hope comment is done, contact is done, dashboard newsletter, and contact is done, comment is done, advertisement no need this one, and tag. Okay, all is done. Our controller is done. So we will make a admin dashboard next day. I hope enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos. Thank you.